The National Weather Service in Detroit, Pontiac has issued a tornado warning for central Livingston County in southeastern Michigan until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Livingston, or near Fowlerville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Fowlerville around 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Howard and Oak Grove around 9:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brighton around 10:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Parker's Corners, Conway Township and Deerfield Township. This includes the following highways: I-96 between mile markers 125 and 146. US 23 near mile marker 60. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.